In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up BG1 in the Chrome browser on Android. So first you need to start on the BG1 documentation page, and then scroll down until you find the How Can I Try It section, and find the Chrome Android button and tap that. And this brings up all the instructions for setting it up and using it. Now, the first step is pretty easy. You just tap in the gray box to highlight the bookmarklet code, and then you can tap again and then hit copy. Step 2 is to bookmark this page by tapping the 3 dots in the toolbar and then tapping the star icon. So we'll bring up the toolbar up at the top, hit the 3 dots, and then hit this star right here. And then it says at the bottom here bookmarked, and it had an edit button that I could have hit to get to the edit screen faster, because step 3 is to edit the bookmark. I was too slow to do that, so step 3 tells me just to tap the 3 dots again and then tap the yellow star to edit the bookmark. Now the name for the bookmark is fine, we'll leave that, but we need to change the URL field here. So we'll highlight all this text and delete it, and then we will paste in the bookmarklet code that we copied, and then we'll just go back. So that was steps 3 and 4. Step 5 is that we also need to bookmark the BG1 start page. You need to go here every time before you use the bookmarklet. So we go to the start page, and then again to bookmark, we hit the 3 dots and then hit the star. And we don't need to edit this one at all, so we'll just go back. Then at the bottom of this guide here is the instructions for using the bookmarklet. I'll just show you how to use it, so we'll hit done here. And we'll close out this tab and open a new one. So the first thing you need to do is go to the start page. So tap in the address bar and type in BG1 and look for BG1 start and tap that. Now we're on the start page. The next step is to pick the service that you're going to use. So for this example, we're going to use Genie Plus. So we'll tap the Genie Plus button, and it pops up with this little reminder that when the next page loads, you have to run the bookmarklet to actually load the interface. The interface will not load on its own. This button just takes us to the page we need to be on to load it. So we'll hit OK, and it loads the next page, which is mostly blank here. And so to load the bookmarklet, we tap in the address bar again and type in BG1, and this time we're looking for BG1 bookmarklet, which you can see towards the bottom here. So we tap that, and it brings up this disclaimer. So if you see this disclaimer, which is what you should see the first time, after you accept it the first time, you'll go straight to the login page. If you see either of those screens, then you know that you've installed everything correctly. If you just see a blank screen or maybe some sort of error message, then you probably didn't set something up right, and you probably need to go back and delete the bookmarklet and start over again with the setup instructions. But like I said, if you get to one of these screens and everything seems to load, then you should be all set.